Alright, let's start with what is retailing. So what is retailing? Retailing includes all the activities involved in selling goods or services to the final customer or consumer for personal non-business use. It is that last step in the supply chain where products land in your hands. Think of walking in a store or clicking buy online. A retailer is the business making this happen. From some local shop to the giant chain, selling products or services for you and your family to enjoy all comes under the category of retailers. Now, let's talk about the retail management. It is all about the steps needed to bring customers inside the store or onto the website. The goal is to meet their buying needs smoothly. This means choosing the right products, setting prices, managing stock, and keeping everything from running without chaos. Good retail management keeps customer happy and coming back. The question comes, why retail matter and how retailers add value to that? Retailers do so much more than just selling the stuff. They add real value to our lives and to the economy. One big way is through the assortment. Now imagine going to a supermarket and finding everything from bread to shampoo in one place. That's the assortment, making shopping convenient for your customer. Another key role that retailers does is breaking the bulk. Retailers buy huge quantities from manufacturers, like a big shipment of the dolls, sell them in a smaller amount or like $1 at a time, like in the style or the quantity that customer is looking. They also make whole shopping easier with options like credit card or layaway and enhance the experience with their things like floor design or product demos. We will talk about all this in long details. But you need to understand the basics here. So all this adds up to the massive impact. Retailers create jobs, boost economic growth, and make good service accessible. They are the bridge between the producer and finally the consumer.